Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change the language on your account on Truecaller easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application and now go to the profile icon, then go to the settings, and here you will find this general settings. Click on it, and now here you will find the languages, so click on the language, and here you can change the language whatever you want. So you can choose whatever you want the language. So that's how to find the language settings or change it, manage it easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.